The wood stove is an awesome place to cook in the wintertime. It's just a really efficient heat source and cooking source, obviously. And so I use my wood stove a lot to cook things. As you can see, I am making some delicious porridge for breakfast on my wood stove. So guys, you can use your wood stove to cook, to make soups, to make stews, to soften peas, to make bone broth, and all that good stuff. So I'm in love with my wood stove. I use it a lot, many times during the day. I fry eggs on it. It's just incredible. And as you can see, we have a new wood stove. It's much bigger, better, efficient, and it heats the entire house. So, do you have a wood stove? What are some things that you do with your wood stove? Something else I do with my wood stove, I also bake on my wood stove. Yeah, with my cast iron Dutch oven, it makes awesome bread. So, leave a little comment in the bottom and tell me, what do you do with your wood stove? What kind of things you're cooking on it?